Welcome back to Dad's Garage. Today we're here with another Kia Forte GT video. This car is wildly popular. I can tell by the responses I've gotten from the videos that I've done about this. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to keep bringing the Kia Forte GT content because so many people are crazy about these cars. And to be quite honest with you, after having it now for 6,000 miles, I am more crazy about this car every single day. Has so much equipment on it for such little price. The quality seems great. I have very little complaints about this car at this point. I do have a couple of videos coming out about the things I hate about the car and things I like, so be looking for those. They're coming. But today what we got going on is we're going to install some rock guards on this car, or mud guards, depending what you want to call them. These are bought genuine from Kia. So this would be the front, this would be the rear, and you can call your Kia dealer to get these. These are really cheap. I'm used to buying these things for Corvettes and Scat Packs and spending $150 to $350 on a set of them. These from Kia, 44 bucks a set. I mean, that is just a real bargain. And they're a must-have on these cars. Install's very simple. Comes with all the parts that you need. And instructions if you want it. But you know, we don't do instructions until we get ourselves deep in trouble around here. But these are simple. I've done many of these before. If you have one of these little ratcheting tools, you can pick these up on Amazon as well. Get one of these. These are a lifesaver. You can put a socket on this end, or you can put a bit in this end. We need a number 3 Phillips for this job. And there's just 2 screws here. That's really all there is to it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by cleaning the area because we're going to put this rock guard on. We don't want to put it over dirt. Now that we've got it clean, I'm just going to get these screws out of here. Now, if you have a regular screwdriver, you can turn the wheel a little bit, work on them that way. And I might have to, because these look like they're pretty long, I may have to go ahead and turn the wheel anyway. So let's get Joshua up in that car, start it, and he's going to turn the wheels to the right so we get good clearance here on this side. Close the door and I'll remote start it. Alright, so this is RH, that means right half. So this is going to be this side. Oh, there's actually a third screw over here. I just now saw it. Okay, so we're going to get our little tool to get one of these, to get these off. Just kind of drive it under the edge. Here's a new one. They supplied all these with it. So you get all new screws. I don't know. Yeah, you get all new screws for it, and you get new push pins. So these push pins, how you get those out is just simply, they're pushed all the way in when they're installed. So you'll get your tool, you'll just push it. See, there's a little recess spot there. you'll be able to push it right in there and then just pull up to pop it out. Do a little more cleaning since we've got a third one over here. All right, now we'll place it up here. It fits perfectly. Just push this in the hole and then push that until it clicks. Those are done. Now the new screws. You'll see they're slightly longer than the originals. That's because you're going through this extra about 1/4 inch of plastic here. And there we go. One is complete. So this does protect this area. It comes down a little bit lower than the side skirt, so that will give you a little bit more protection here from rocks. Also, it really looks kind of nice because since we have the black and white contrast, this looks really nice. So now we got that one complete. We're going to go to the back and take care of the back. And while we're off camera, we'll do the other side. There's no reason to give you the other side when it's identical to what we just did. So let's head to the back. All right, so here we go. We got the right half again. So it's going to be passenger side. And looks like we have same thing. We got 4 screws, 2 push pins. So it looks like we got 3 holes again. Yeah, okay, so this one has 1 up underneath as well. So, all right, let's get this cleaned up. A little bit more room to work back here on the back ones. I'm hoping we're going to be able to do this easily. There we go. So other than this one being underneath, this is pretty much the exact same install as what we just did on the front.
Got the bottom one.
So there we go. Looks fantastic. And it will keep a lot of this splash down back here too. Rocks and splash coming up onto the car. So that'll be really nice. And again, I think the contrast, having the white with the black, is really slick. So looks really good, I think. Probably on this rear, removing the rear wheel would probably be best unless you have a lot of tools like I do, to where you can kind of cheat it a little bit. But for most people, probably removing the rear wheel is the best plan. But on the front, you can see it was really simple. All we had to do was simply turn the steering wheel to get to it. So anyway, that's it. Super easy, super fast install. And you can do this for $88 plus tax. Protect your car, and it also looks good. So hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. We thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time right here on Dad's Garage.